Hello students, welcome to our channel. As we all know, everyone has their own goals in life. Some of them want to become doctor, engineer, scientist, teacher, and the others want to be police officer, advocate, astronaut, pilot, etc. So in this video series, I will discuss with you the procedure to achieve that particular profession which you have chosen as your career. Today's discussion will be about how to start career as a private detective. Private detectives are the trained professionals hired by the individuals or organizations for investigating different cases. They can handle both criminal as well as civil types of cases. Those who possess good analytical skills and interest in crime investigation can pursue their career as private detective. Private detectives specialize on different fields according to their interest and experience. Some handle only criminal cases while some deals with only corporate cases like protection of trade secrets, anti-piracy and copyright infringement cases. Candidates who want to become private detective should complete graduation in any discipline. Then only they can pursue private detective course in any reputed institute or detective agency. After completing this course, they will become eligible to apply for job in any reputed detective agency. One can work as a private detective after gaining sufficient experience by working in any reputed detective agency. Let's talk about who are eligible to apply. One should pass first plus 2 in any stream to become a private detective. They can go for graduation only after that. Institute which offer degree courses give admission on the basis of the marks obtained in the qualifying examination. Candidates can apply for private detective course after completing graduation. The Indore Christian College and the National Institute of Private Investigation, New Delhi are the two institutes in India which offer private detective course to the aspirants. Some detective agencies are also offering this course to the aspirants, which are ACE Detectives India International Securities, New Delhi, All India Private Detectives Association, New Delhi, Argus Risk Intelligence and Management's Private Limited, New Delhi, and Lancers Network Limited, New Delhi. These institutions and agencies give admission on the basis of the marks obtained by the candidates in their qualifying examination. So, the key elements in the process are: candidate must pass plus 2, complete graduation in any discipline, complete private detective course from any institute or detective agency, apply for job in any reputed detective agency, gain sufficient experience, skills required for a private detective. Private detectives should be well aware of various investigation techniques used in several cases like burglary, theft, extortion, suicide, fraud, kidnapping, murder, rape, forgery, and molestation. They should be able to use different investigation tools such as fingerprinting, handwriting analysis, audio-video device handling, hidden devices, and bugs handling. They should possess the essential qualities like patience, skepticism, and thoroughness. Computer skills are also required for them to prepare essential reports and documents. Once you are settled in your detective career, you can start your own detective agency. Well, currently no license is strictly required in India for this job, but some of the states have different process to give license to the detective agency. In some states, private detectives are running the agencies with the license of security agency, but licenses are very important to the detective agencies. One of the detectives' jobs is to submit the evidences they got to the court, and the court allows evidences only from licensed detective agencies. So it is necessary for the detective agencies to have license, though there is no proper law about it. So if you want to be a private detective, wishing you a very good luck. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.